Leading-edge product design. Superior performance. Quality heavy-duty truck parts. Heavy-duty clamp design. Superior strength and high performance in the most extreme application environments. A clear leader of the pack in clamping solutions. Stainless steel speed clip makes tender kit or pogo stick installations quick easy. Air, hydraulic, and electrical components for the transportation industry. Heavy trucks, trailer, and bus. Tectran. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for standard 2 air hoses and single electrical cord setup. Got 2 of these clamps in use, and I must say, not only are they easy to use, they're also built to withstand. They work really well with the standard 2 air lines and single electrical cord setup. At the same time, they just barely clamp onto the 1.5 diameter spiral wrap hose from Safe Spiral. It is ideal simply because it stays put and the way I see it, will increase the longevity of the clamps.